and you will end up in this page where you have to give your email and password. Now we have already registered in MyAssist. That's the reason I am giving already email and password. If you are new to this page and you want to create a new account, then please click on this create new account and fill the all necessary details. Then you can create your own account for your site. If you are new and don't know how to do it, we have already made a dedicated video for this particular UniAssist series. Please go and check out our playlist where you can find UniAssist. Then you can click on sign in. Now we are here in the our MyAssist page where we have created, and we are applying for first semester for engineering sciences, and then you can click on add to selection. Now you can directly go to inbox and you can just see in our inbox we have a application for embedded system of Hochschule Bremerhaven, which we showed you how to apply last time, if you remember. So that's the reason the first application, as I told you, it will be always 75 euros, but the second application will be reduced to 30 euros. Now we can just remove it from my cart. Here we will be going through and I will be showing you how we have done it. So we have added to our inbox, and you can directly click on choose your payment option. Before that, you have to make sure that you will answer all unanswered mandatory questions. This is for green because you have to fill it only once. If you have filled once in your inbox, you will be saved, or it will be saved. You have to edit it if you are required. Otherwise, please make sure it is same and you can just check and submit. But now, as I told you, every time I will make this video, I will think like some new people will see. That's the reason I will show you how to fill the non or unanswered mandatory questions. We can click on unanswered mandatory questions. Here in unanswered mandatory, or we have to give mandatory questions. As I told you, the first education data you will have is your schooling things. Here you have to give your school things, where you have to mention your 10th or PUC, or PUC means nothing but 10 plus 2, 12. Time schedule, I have only filled school 1 with our PUC, or 10 only 12th, 10th and 12th. So if you are interested, you can also give 10th schooling here in this second school too. But here I have only given 2014 to 2016. This is our pre-university college, how we call it in Karnataka. Other states, they might also call it like 10 plus 2, 12th. You have to give your period of attendance, when you attended and when is the year that you learned it. The name of the location of the school, you have to give your school name and the location where your city come from, then the state, then as usual you have to give your country. Then the name of the certificate awarded. Some people also ask where to find the name of the certificate awarded. It will be in your mark sheet, so please look for it and you will get it. Then the date of school leaving certificate, when you have finished it, it will be your date, month and year you have to mention based on the certificate you have. In the certificate they would have mentioned 2 dates, when you registered for it and when you have completed it. Please fill the completed date. Then university entrance examination. As I told you, not everyone will have it, but if you ask me, everyone should have done any kind of examination, because after 12th nobody will give you engineering seat like simply like that. You have to go through some sort of common entrance examination where they will give some sort of examination, where then only they will make you or give you the engineering seats. So you have to give that as an S here. As I told you, for example, I have given you CET or NEET. This is what we did it. If you have done it different examination, then please mention like JEE or any other competitive exams which you have taken, or university entrance qualification which you have taken. Then date of university entrance examination, when you have taken it, or it should be when you have taken it. So please mention the date when you have taken it. So it will be in your hall ticket, or when you have registered, you would have registered with the website or credential. If you are not remembering this for sure, then please mention the month and year perfectly. If you don't know the perfect date, then please always give 1 as your date. This I wanted to mention here. I have seen so many comments. People who don't know the perfect date, then always give 1 as the date, then the month and year should be correct. If you don't know the date, then please give 1. No need to worry. Then studies outside the Germany. So after university entrance exam, what you have did it, you did a university, which is your bachelor. That's the reason you have to give here. And have you done a university degree program outside Germany, yes, we have done our bachelor outside Germany. First university qualification will be our bachelor's, where we started or studied for 4 years. Please mention the month to same month and with the year, and from which year you have done your 4 years of bachelor's. Then name of the country, awarding institution. Here you have to mention your university name, not your college name. If your college itself is a recognized university, then mention your college name. Otherwise you have to mention your university name. If you're confused with your college name and the university name, then please look your marks card. There they will give you official university name where you are registered. For us it was Visvesvaraya Technological University, and it's from Karnataka and India. Then subject area that we have done it, electrical engineering, and this is what you have to do. Then type of degree qualification that we have completed is Bachelor of Engineering. This is the common and most done engineering, which is Bachelor of Engineering. I don't think other than this people are interested in applying electrical courses, because there are some courses people do like BSc, BCA and other things. But BCA, if you have done, you will be focusing morely on doing computer science courses, not electrical courses. So electrical courses, comparatively, most of the people will be done only Bachelor of Engineering. Then have you successfully completed it? Yes. If you have not done it, then click on no. Not done it means people who are in still 7th semester and want to apply for Germany. Then click on no. Then they will ask you why you have not done it, and you can attach your continuation of studies from your college, where you have to take a letter where you are doing still 8th semester and when you are gonna finish it. Then here we will click on yes. If you have done another university degree, please fill it, second university degree. So this will be as usual. If you have done a master degree in India itself, MTech, then you want to pursue masters here, then please give your MTech details here. Other than that, if you have not done only bachelor, then please give bachelor. First university qualification is enough. Here again I'm mentioning people who have done after 10th a diploma before going to engineering course, don't mention diploma in your university. It is not a university qualification. Your diploma will be your schooling, so please mention your diploma in a school too. After that, you can just go through and keep no for all student and colleges that they are asked, because these are the college or university entrance qualification some people will do. But we if you are a normal candidate applying from India who are done bachelor degree, then everything should be no. Other than that, you can just click on studies in Germany. Have you undertaken any university in Germany and you want to wish to change or enroll your new university? So this is mean that if you have done 2 semester in some certain college and you want to apply for 3rd semester of something, some other college internally in Germany, then you have to click on yes and mention which degree program you did, and first how many months you did it, how many years you did it, which month to which year, then where and what is the course, type of degree, then have you successfully completed it, no, and you are changing it. So that's the reason we kept it as no, because we are applying for 1st semester always. And these are the information I have told you, and I have explained you what are the information, how it looks like, and please go through everything and give your proper names. I have given in a short form because I won't be submitting it. Please don't forget that. Then you can click on save. Now you have filled all mandatory details. What are the mandatory details you have filled? You have filled so many mandatory details, but in order to support those mandatory details, you have to upload the documents. You have to click on upload my files, and here you have to upload all required documents. As I told you, somebody asked me why you will paste one PDF with your degree and transcript, because it makes them also for an easy job. So that's why make sure you will have bachelor PDF where it will have your bachelor degree certificate and a transcript in it together. Okay, then for VPD particularly, you need to have a transcript where this, if the transcript itself has a grading conversion in it, then don't forget it. You don't need to do anything. If your transcript itself doesn't have a grade explanation, then please upload a grade explanation in a different PDF. Okay, I have not uploaded it because we have grade conversion directly in transcript itself. That's the reason I have not given it. Then 10th, and this 10th has 12th included, so this will be our school living certificate or secondary school living certificate. Then you need to give a university entrance qualification evidence. If yes, did it, yes. Then work and internship, if you have done, then please give supporting documents. Please give SOP, passport, letter of language certificate if you have done English, German and things like that, and CV. Some people asked, is all these mandatory in order to apply? If you have still got confusion, please see our first part of this particular video where I showed you for a VPD what are the documents you need to have. These are the documents that we have given. Then you can click on my inbox and you can just see we have filled it all mandatory details. So once you fill mandatory details, it will turn into green like this. Then we have also added all documents. You can just see your euro is 75 euros because I have never submitted any application. But if you have submitted one application, this is your second application, then it will be 30 euros. Don't forget. Then click on choose payment option. Usually I recommend you to do from credit card, and also somebody also commented out in the YouTube video of our previous video. They said in credit card it works perfect because this pay now one which they are using some other soft pay method which will be only for your European countries, because I saw it is only for European countries. For you guys, you have to have a credit card. Please use international enabled credit card to do this payment. Thank you so much. I think I have explained everything in details and you also know and saw until here. And this is what for engineering sciences, mechanical and plastic engineering, mechatronics, electrical engineering, whichever you are doing. Then in next, after VPD, once you have got, please get ready with VPD. In after December 1, I will show you how to apply for this particular university in their particular website. You need to have a VPD with it. As I told you, in next upcoming video, we will gonna talk about master degree of functional material for Philips University, Magdeburg. Until then, take care. Bye bye.